how to do split screen on Premiere Pro. So to do split screen on Premiere Pro, go to Windows at the top, and over here just make sure program monitor is selected. So in my case I have program monitor over here, but in your case just click on it, it'll appear. Then what you can do is just make sure source monitor is on as well. You can see source monitor, it's enabled over here. So make sure you have both program monitor and source monitor on, and basically you will have two monitor. In program monitor, all the effects which you have applied is going to be shown, and on source monitor, whatever clip is being selected here, it's going to show the raw, uncut, unedited part of it. All right, so that's how we guys can split screen on Premiere Pro. And if you want to have an extra monitor, you can always join another monitor on your Mac, extend your screen, and just drag and drop your screen to another monitor in this way as well. You can do it. That's how we guys can split screen on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.